Exorbitant is an adjective used to describe something that is excessively high or unreasonably expensive. When something is called exorbitant, it means the price or amount is far beyond what is typical, fair, or justifiable. This word often applies to costs, prices or demands, that feel unreasonable or out of reach. Origins of exorbitant. The word exorbitant comes from the Latin exorbitare, which means to go out of the track or to deviate. It first appeared in English in the 15th century and initially referred to things that went beyond acceptable limits. Today, it is most commonly associated with high prices or demands that are out of proportion. How to use exorbitant. Exorbitant is frequently used when discussing prices, fees, or costs that feel shockingly high. For example, one might describe a luxury hotel's rates or a rare item's cost as exorbitant if they are unusually high. This word adds a tone of critique, implying that the amount is unfair or unreasonable. Example sentences. The hotel charged an exorbitant fee for Wi-Fi, leaving guests frustrated. Despite the product's exorbitant price, many collectors were eager to buy it. Similar words: outrageous, shockingly excessive or unfair. Astronomical, extremely high, often used for numbers or prices. Excessive, going beyond what is normal or necessary. In essence, exorbitant is a word that highlights excessiveness, especially when something costs significantly more than expected or reasonable, making it useful for expressing shock or frustration about high prices.